Hey everybody, Trent here with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Today we have kind of a unique opportunity. Today we get to look at the new 2018 JL right next to a JKU. Well, this is a JLU sitting next to a JKU. Now we have both of these vehicles that are very similar in design, actually very similar in design, but also very different between the two. The JLU on the left has a 3.5-inch suspension lift with 20-inch Fuel Beast wheels, 35 12.5 20 Hercules TerraTrack MTs, and the JKU on the right has a 4-inch suspension lift with Fuel Beasts and Hercules TerraTrack MTs. Now, a couple of things that right off the bat you notice about the JKU and the JL is the angle of the windshield. The JL has a little bit more of an extreme angle. The shape of the front grille is a little bit different. It looks like the JL has a little bit more of a square boxy look to it, which gives it kind of an aggressive look, in my opinion. The JLU is a Sahara and the JKU is an anniversary package. The anniversary package comes with steel bumpers. That is a steel bumper, whereas the JLU comes with a similar in design bumper, but this bumper is plastic, so it looks good, but it is a plastic bumper. One of the other things that I think kind of stands out between the two is if you look at the size difference between the suspension components. You take a look at the tow bar, the drag link, and the track bar right there. They seem to be a lot larger than what comes on the JKU. You can kind of see the factory steering components on the JKU appear to be smaller. So that's good. That's a pretty darn good upgrade. Of course, the fenders are a bit different. There are integrated lights in the fenders on the JLU in comparison to the JK. Let's take a look at the interior. Of course, we have our classic JKU interior that everybody loves. The JLU, on the other hand, just a little bit different, a little bit more technology. Nice big factory screen. The interior of this particular one is very nice. Let's get a look at the rear end. License plate location of the JKU and the JLU. They've moved the license plate to the rear bumper. I'm going to be very interested to see what comes out as far as bumper options and aftermarket fender flare options. I'm interested to see how they're going to incorporate that light into the aftermarket fender flares. 2018 JLU, ladies and gentlemen, compared to a JKU. I believe that one is a 2017 JKU. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about the differences? Leave some comments, let me know how you feel about them. Thank you so much for watching this short comparison video of the JKU and the JLU. Of course, I just covered a couple of things. I didn't catch everything. There isn't enough time I could make a super long video. That if I missed something that is noteworthy, please feel free to let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Trent with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas.